Hi everyone, this is Glenda Ganzon and welcome to my Nihongo class. For today's lesson, I'm going to teach you how to count numbers in Nihongo from 1 to 100. So let's start. From the previous lesson, I taught you how to count from 1 to 10. So let's have a review of how to count from 1 to 10. Let's start counting from 1 to 10. Ichi, ni, sang, yong, go, roku, nana, hachi, kyu, ju. I hope you still remember how to count from 1 to 10 in Nihongo. From the previous lesson, I also taught you how to count by tens in Nihongo from 10 to 100. So let's have a review and count by tens from 10 to 100 in Nihongo. Ju, ni ju, sang ju, yong ju, go ju, lok ju, nana ju, hachi ju, kyu ju, hyaku. I hope you already know how to count by tens in Nihongo from 10 to 100. For today's lesson, we will start counting from 11 up to 100. So how are we going to say 11 in Nihongo? We already know that 10 is ju and 1 is ichi. So we only have to combine them to make it 11. So 11 is juichi. 12 is juni. This is from combining ju, which is 10, and 2, which is ni. So 12 is juni. 13 is from 10, which is ju, and 3, which is sang. So 13 is ju-sang. 14 is ju, which is 10, and yong, which is 4. So 14 is ju-yong. 15 is ju, which is 10, and 5, which is go. So 15 is ju-go. Let's count once again from 11 to 15. Please repeat after me. Juichi, juichi, juni, juni, jusang, jusang, juyong, juyong, jugo, jugo. Very good. Now let's try to count from 16 to 20. 16 is from ju, which is 10, to combine it with lok, which is 6. So 16 is ju lok. For 17 is ju and nana, which is 7. So 17 is ju nana. For 18, again, ju and 8, which is hachi. So 18 is ju hachi. For 19, ju and 9 is q. So 19 is ju q, ju q. And 20, we have to combine 2, which is ni in Nihongo, and 10, which is ju in Nihongo. So 20 is ni ju. Let's count again from 16 to 20. Please repeat after me. Julok, julok, junana, Ju Nana, Ju Hachi, ju hachi, ju kyu, ju kyu, ni ju, ni ju. Very good. Now let's try to review again counting numbers by tens from 10 to 100. Let's begin with 10. Ju, ni ju, sang ju, yong ju, go ju, lok ju, nana ju, hachi ju, kyu ju, hyaku. We need to memorize counting by tens from 10 to 100 because we need these numbers in order for us to count from 21 up to 100. We also need to memorize the basic, which is from 1 to 10. So let's try to count 21 up to 100. All we need to do is, if we start to count 21, all we need to do is to state 20, which is nichu, plus the basic number 1, which is ichi, and the rest follows. Example, 21 is niju ichi, 22 is niju ni, 23 is niju sang, and the rest follows. Again, we need to memorize the basic number from 1 to 9. Let's count 21 to 29. I'll point the number and repeat after me. Niju ichi, niju ichi, niju ni, niju ni, niju sang, niju sang, niju yong, niju yong, niju go, niju go, niju lok, niju lok, niju nana, niju nana, niju hachi, niju hachi, niju kyu, niju kyu. Very good. Now, let's start to count 30 to 39. Please repeat after me. I'll point the number and repeat after me. Sangju, sangju, sangju ichi, sangju ichi, sangju ni, sangju ni, sangju sang, sangju sang, sangju yong, sangju yong, sangju go, sangju go, sangju lok, sangju lok, sangju nana, sangju nana, sangju hachi, sangju hachi, sangju kyu, sangju kyu. Very good. Now we will count from 40 to 49. Please repeat after me as I point the number. Yongju, yongju, yongju ichi, yongju ichi, yongju ni, yongju ni, yongju sang, yongju sang, yongju yong, yongju yong, yongju go, yongju go, yongju lok, yongju lok, yongju nana, yongju nana, yongju hachi, yongju hachi, yongju kyu, yongju kyu. Very good. Now we will count 50 to 59. Please repeat after me as I point the numbers. Goju, goju, goju ichi, goju ichi, goju ni, goju ni, goju san, goju san, goju yon, goju yon, goju go, goju go, goju lok, goju lok, goju nana, goju nana, goju hachi, goju hachi, goju kyu, goju kyu. Very good. Now, let's start to count 60 to 69. Please repeat after me as I point the number. Lokju, lokju, lokju ichi, lokju ichi, lokju ni, lokju ni, lokju san, lokju san, lokju yong, lokju yong, lokju go, lokju go, lokju lok, lokju lok, lokju nana, lokju nana, lokju hachi, lokju hachi, lokju kyu, lokju kyu. Very good. Now let's start counting from 70 to 79. Please repeat after me as I point on the number. Nanaju, nanaju, nanaju ichi, nanaju ichi, nanaju ni, nanaju ni, nanaju san, nanaju san, nanaju yong, nanaju yong, nanaju go, nanaju go, nanaju lok, nanaju lok, nanaju nana, nanaju nana, nanaju hachi, nanaju hachi, nanaju kyu, nanaju kyu. Very good. Now, let's start to count 80 to 89. Please repeat after me as I point on the number. Hachiju, hachiju, hachiju ichi, hachiju ichi, hachiju ni, hachiju ni, hachiju san, hachiju san, hachiju yong, hachiju yong, hachiju go, hachiju go, hachiju lok, hachiju lok, hachiju nana, hachiju nana, hachiju hachi, hachiju hachi, hachiju kyu, hachiju kyu. Very good. Now, let's start to count from 90 to 99. Please repeat after me as I point on the number. Kyuju, kyuju, kyuju ichi, kyuju ichi, kyuju ni, kyuju ni, kyuju san, kyuju san, kyuju yong, kyuju yong, kyuju go, kyuju go, kyuju lok, kyuju lok, kyuju nana, kyuju nana, kyuju hachi, kyuju hachi, Q. Q. Very good. And for the last number is 100. Hyaku. And that's it, our lesson for today, counting numbers from 1 to 100 in Nihongo. I hope by now you already know how to count number from 1 to 100 in Nihongo. Again, thank you so much for watching my tutorial video, and please subscribe to my channel and click the notification button. Also, share this video and like. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Until my next video, bye!